I think I got a king.
Huh?
I think I got a king.
Yeah, you king, man.
I do got a king.
Oh yeah, you do. Good king. Come on, come on, come on, come on down.
Coming down. Coming down.
You on the king cage, guys?
Yep.
All right, go on.
He's straight down right here.
Hold on. Hold on, I'm coming.
Yep. Yep.
Hey, I got that for you. Those dudes. Right there. Wait for me. Is he ready? Oh, he got it. Is he ready?
Yeah.
You want to do it in the corner right here?
Coming down.
He right here.
You want to do it in the corner between these two toes?
Wherever you want to get him at.
Right here, Scott. Shoot to your left just a little bit more, brother. Like that power. There we go.
Good job, man. Good job.
There you go.
You got it. Good job.
I'm going to get on the other side of you so that way we don't run into any rocks.
You good? You good?
Hold it.
Oh, snaky snake.
That's all right.
Thank you.
Hey, him.